The Dynamics of Classroom Organization Pre-Training Tutorials. Prior to attending the workshop, you will need to set up a Gmail account to facilitate Google Docs sharing throughout the workshop, set up an Edmodo account to store resources and establish documented online collaboration with students, families, and other educators, and complete the Getting to Know Your Classroom and Essentials sections of the Graphic Organizer. Setting up a Gmail account. Google Mail is an excellent tool since it has multiple functions. In addition for providing a means to compose and receive emails, Gmail accounts provide an interface to facilitate real-time collaboration. For the purpose of this workshop, we will use Gmail accounts to access and share information within Google Docs. If you are not already a Gmail user, you can easily become one by simply logging on to www.google.com. Click the Gmail tab at the top of the screen to set up an account. Next, click on the tab that says Create an Account in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Enter the specified information in the boxes. Type the security code in the box below it. Click on the box once you have read and agreed with the terms of service. Click on the Next Step tab to proceed. Congratulations, you have successfully established a Gmail account. Setting up an Edmodo account. Edmodo is a social networking website that can be used in the educational realm. Over the years, teachers acquire many online tools and resources and need a place to house them. Well, Edmodo is that place. For the purpose of this workshop, we will utilize Edmodo to create folders to help manage the materials and resources that contribute to the various aspects of classroom organization. In addition, this website can also be used to post survey questions, student polls, corroborate with other professionals, and facilitate communication among stakeholders. To access Edmodo, log on to www.edmodo.com. If you are a first-time user, you will need to click on the tab that says I'm a teacher. Next, select and enter a username, password, email address, and your first and last name. Once you have read the terms of service by clicking on the blue link, you can click on the tab that says Sign Up. You now have an Edmodo account. Congratulations! Creating folders in Edmodo. As a part of the upcoming workshop on the dynamics of classroom organization, you will be required to create folders in Edmodo and add resources to those folders. Please note that you do not need to create folders as a part of the pre-training activities. However, you will be required to do so as a part of your assessment activity. These screenshots show examples of how I created folders in Edmodo for my own professional uses. So once you log into Edmodo, you will be directed to your home page that looks like this. Click on the Library tab to add or access any resources in your library. Click on the Add to Library tab to add links for online resources to your Edmodo library. Or if you scroll down, right below it there is a tab that says New. Click on the New tab to create folders. Once you click on the New tab to create a new folder, a dialog box pops up. Simply type in the title you select for your folder and click the Create tab. Your folders will appear on the left side of the screen. To add library resources to a folder, simply click on a resource. The resource will appear on the right side of the screen. Click on the Folder tab below it, scroll down, and click on the box that corresponds to the folders you would like to add to that resource. Congratulations, you have successfully established an Edmodo account, created folders, and added resources to those folders. Completing the Getting to Know Your Classroom and Essential sections of the Graphic Organizer. Prior to attending the workshop, you will need to know the layout of your classroom. This will put you in a better position in terms of deciding which aspects of classroom organization work better for your current structure. In addition, you will need to be aware of your building or district mandates. If you are required to have certain items posted in your room, you will need to establish a designated area for those items first. The items listed under Essentials here are simply a sample based on some of the things I am expected to have in my classroom. To access an editable version of the Graphic Organizer in Microsoft Word, please visit the link. Congratulations, you have successfully completed all components of your pre-training activities.